Good afternoon. Today we come to 7 food court. So I want to try the chicken rice. I order the chicken rice, the good man chicken rice, the shop calls. Another is Jawa mee Jawa. Okay, from Indonesia style. Okay, and that I will try. The beef and chicken. And I order another inside the stomach for chicken. So first thing, the chicken rice good or not, you have to try the rice first. Let's see the rice. Oh, I feel the rice hard. I can see one piece. The smell is good, but the problem is the rice. The rice is hard. Feel not good already because the rice some is hard, some soft. Okay, try the chili. Chili okay. Okay, try the chicken. Okay. Because it's the something like the black, so the meat will more. You eat this one with salt, the better, very nice. The chicken is okay one, only the rice. Maybe cool down already. When hot very nice. Okay, try the inside the stomach. Nice. Oh, forget the soup. Chicken soup. Oh, we put the medicine. Have medicine inside. Okay. So a long time no eat Malay style. Okay. Lamb. Mee Jawa. Yeah, collect the meat like this. Yellow meat. Usually I want to call the kolok but not open. Okay, nice. They put the yo char kway also. Char kway. Try the beef. The chicken. But the taste is okay. Chicken with crispy. Okay, some better. Okay, I enjoy my lunch first. See you. Bye bye. Oh, my tea darling. Okay, lemon tea. Okay, see you. Bye bye.